Under races on, rushing up from the outside is Deadly Storm, Tigerific, Silmay Leaf moving up by the rally's most unbelievable. Purely Kali racing on the outside, Pip, Best Strike, Suburban, and Apo. Pabato is running at the tail of the field. Tigerific now the leader. Deadly Storm in second. Silmay Leaf racing in third by about 5 lengths. Most unbelievable racing in fourth by about 3 lengths. Purely Kali racing in fifth by another 3 lengths as they race the last 500. Tigerific. Deadly Storm is on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Most unbelievable racing on the outside as they race the final corner. Tigerific, Deadly Storm on the outside, and on the further outside is most unbelievable, but still Tigerific, Deadly Storm, most unbelievable on the outside, most unbelievable, and in between runners Deadly Storm, Tigerific, most unbelievable, and Deadly Storm, and finally Deadly Storm, most unbelievable, Tigerific.